Good morning. We are at the Wat Temple in Lamai to see a mummified monk.
Wat Kanaram, home to Koh Samui's Mummified Monk, is an unusual sight, yet it offers a unique insight to Buddhist and Thai culture. The monk died in 1973 in a seated meditative position, and even since his body has been on display in an upright glass case at a temple. Remarkably, even after several decades later, the monk's body shows little sign of decay. For some visitors, having a dead man in full view might be shocking in sight, but for Thais it's something to reflect upon.
He put like in his wishes that he wanted to be put in a glass case.
And now we're at the grandfather and grandmother rock. Daisy knows a fun fact. Why is it called that?
Because it's shaped like a penis and a vagina.
We'll let you be the judge of that.
Oh, there it is.
Is that it?
Yeah.
They've got one pointing up and one together, and that's their name. That's it, I know what I'll name it. A nice little beach. It's not the best to go swimming in. Quite a lot of rocks, and you sink. Maybe we'll go and find a different one. Do I even look tanned yet? No. We've decided we're going to try and go and get some food and then go to another beach. The struggles, eh?
It is if you go backpacking and cut your hair off because you have to wear a helmet. You spend hours putting it up, making it all pretty, and then kind of put your helmet on.
I feel your pain. We've now stopped off at one of the, I would say it's probably the nicest beach we've been to. And there's also a little restaurant there which does some decent food. Yeah. Fortunately they're not doing food today. Just our luck, and drive further down. Sand is just so soft here. Well, it says restaurant over there, but I don't know if it's open. There's a reason no one's at the beach at midday, because it's like 36 degrees. That's the problem, most things aren't open at the minute. Doesn't look open at all. Keep going. All I want is some sticky rice. This isn't even open either. We're not having much luck. Back we go. It's a problem when you eat outside. Just finished having food. That comes to about 360 baht, which is about £8. Now it's time for a swim.
Woo.